beautiful legs. Cora, what else? What else? Oh my. Oh. 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 Cora, how old are you now? How old are you? You're 19 weeks, almost 5 months old. You're blowing bubbles. You tasted peach yogurt today, some of Mommy's yogurt, and you tasted some of Mommy's pickles on her pickle tray, huh? What'd you think of the pickles? They tasty? That was one of Mommy's favorites when she was pregnant with you. Mommy loved pickles. Are you gonna say goodnight? Are you gonna say goodnight? Look at those chubby little legs. How cute they are. And that little belly. She loves being naked. It's the only way I got her to stop crying and fussing. Just let her be naked. I love you. We're gonna go night-night, okay, baby? I love those legs. I always want to remember her like this. Cora. Night, baby. Good night. Alright. Love you. Love you.